Wlan standard organization. So upon completion of this course, so you are able to describe the function of Wlan standard organization. So the content here should be very short. There's only have 7 content. So let's begin from the first one. Okay. The State Radio Regulatory Commissions of the People's Republic of China. So the short one we can call as a SRC. So this is formed since 1st June 1999. So this organization, basically what they do is they create a lot of the standard for those of the device or the equipment can be used or sold in China. So they must get the certification before they can able to use in the state. Then the next one is the FCC, stand for the Federal Communication Commission. Okay, so this is one of the United States organization. So it's already create a lot of the standard, the bandwidth, the frequency band they can be able to use in the stage. So including those of the channel. So this is a reason why in different type of the country. So they have some of the channel is not able to use. And the other one is the ETSI. So the ETSI stands for European Telecommunication Standard Institute. Okay, for short is ETSI. So this control those of the standard, the Wi-Fi bandwidth in the Europe country. Then the next is IEEE. So I believe many people got heard about this organization before. So IEEE create many type of the standard, and they give some of the very clear and easy to understand standard for us to create, and the way the Wi-Fi is doing the modulations. Okay, for more information, you can see below here they actually have some link by giving HTTP. Okay, and this is the link. Okay, IEEE.org. Okay, and the next is the Wi-Fi Alliance. For short, we call as WFA. So from here, you can able to see they have many members inside the Wi-Fi Alliance. So including the Apple, the Broadcom, Cisco, Dell, Huawei, Intel, LG, Microsoft, and many others. And here there is some of the certificate icon. This is a logo they use for those products is already certified by the Wi-Fi Alliance. So this is the reason why when you look at the some of the wireless product, they always come with this label. Then the next is IETF. So it's a short for the Internet Engineering Task Force. So this is formed at the end of 1985. So this organization they create a lot of the standard for many type of the protocols. So Wi-Fi also have many protocol is defined by the IETF. Then the last one here is the WABI. Okay, WABI Industry Association. So this WABI is one type of the encryption technology will be widely used in the state in the China. So as you can see, there's many companies right here, like the China Mobile, the ZTE, the H3C. So they're also using this the WABI to doing the security encryption for the wireless. Okay, so for what we know, the wireless encryption technology we have WEP, WPA, and WPA2. But of course, the WABI also at the same range of them. Okay, this one we can able to provide the more secure to protect all the data transmissions. So this is a summary for all the organizations. Okay, the first one I did mention already. So the SRC is used in the China, in the state. Then the FCC is belong to the United States. ETSI is the Euro country. IEEE also got discussed. Wi-Fi Alliance IETF, and the last is WABI.